What's up, Tech? It's Josh here. I want to show you in this video how to install a tempered glass screen protector. This is a cheap Amazon special, so I'll leave a link down below in the video description if you want to pick up this for yourself. Just want to walk you through my process of putting on a tempered glass screen protector. This particular package comes with a set of 3. So you also have the camera bump protector, then you get all your cleaning materials here. I tend to try to find packages that include a guide, so that way I just align everything easily and not have to try to eyeball it. They have their own installation instructions in case you need it. And again, you got 3 different screen protectors. So it's good if you mess up and then you got a couple backups, or if you end up cracking one, you don't have to go waiting to order anything. First step that I like to do, I like to shut off the device. That way, if I'm touching the screen, it's just not messing any of that up. If you just got the phone, you might not have to clean anything, but definitely want to inspect it. Make sure there's no dust or smudges. So this is a dust sticker. That's actually pretty important. I'll get to that in a second. It's got a little bit of a small, tiny little screen wipe. And here's a wet wipe to start with. This package didn't come with one of these rubber materials, but what I like about this is this helps the phone not slide around while you're doing stuff. So I just like to put that here, put that there, and you can see how it's not going to move around. So first step, you wipe down the screen, and then you're going to take your dry wipe, make sure there's no residue, fingerprints, anything like that. And then you're going to inspect the screen to see if there's any kind of dust on it. Kind of want to move quickly because you don't want anything landing on the phone. I tend to go on the whole screen just in case I don't see anything. Go down the sides, then go down the middle. I like to put the sticker back on the piece of paper that it came with. And there's a little indicator here that says top. Let's put that down onto it. Take the tempered glass out of the packaging. And it's only going to have one thing. So what I like to do is leave it upside down and peel it underneath it. Give one more look over, make sure no dust landed on the phone. You got your camera hole up here, so that's going to indicate the top. Line it up and just let it fall in place. You can kind of see how it adheres by itself. And that's pretty much it. Look at that. All good, no bubbles at all. If you're interested in this package, there'll be a link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching.